Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Joe. We're here with a second exercise that I really like to incorporate to the hip abductor strength. Andrew's already in the position. It's a figure 4 bridge. I prefer this position versus having one leg up or one leg straight. Just because of balance and just coordination, I really like this position. So what Andrew's gonna do, it's just like a double leg bridge where both feet are on the ground, you lift your butt up. Andrew's now gonna do it in one leg, which is gonna bias the hip abductor. Andrew's gonna lift up and really squeeze his butt cheeks at the top. Now you'll notice that Andrew has a little bit of a hip turn, which just tells me there's weakness in the abductors, which is why we're working on it. So what I'm gonna cue him to do is keep everything flat. You wanna think about there's water on your waistline. Don't spill that water. And again, just like the sideline leg raise, we're looking at 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. We're building strength. Eventually, we're going to increase this to build endurance, but for right now, we need to have strength in this area. And just like any exercise, we want to make sure the patient doesn't have any pain. Do you have any pain with that? Nope. You want to make sure that they feel it in the correct area. If they don't, we might have to adjust how we're doing it. So that's the second exercise I like. We're going to keep progressing it as the patient needs, but this is what I like to start with. And then I'm going to show a next progression in the next video of a plank with a hip hike.